This video covers all the triads built on the note B on the keyboard. B to B. Oh, let's come up here. It's easier to hear. You can do it wherever. So we're starting out here with a B triad, and then we're going to take the upper middle note up a whole step to here. Use fourth finger in the right hand. And then the lower middle, going up a half step to here. Use third finger now in the left hand. And then the upper middle, down a half step to here, still fourth finger there. And then the lower middle, down a whole step to here, fourth finger in the left hand. And then the upper middle goes down a half step to here, use third finger now in the right hand. And then back to where you started, because that's B minor, now B major. So you're here, to here, to here, 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 here. And do the, and this one, because it's so long, there's so many triads involved, I usually just do the 4 octaves. You want to start with 2 octaves up and down to get you started. It's up to you. 2 notes per beat or something, but I prefer the 4 octaves. And because we're here, I'm going to start here. It's the same place I would start with a B major or triad here. And it's just a upper note, lower note. Just go through the whole pattern like that. Accent on the beat, drop the wrist on the accent, the whole bit, up and down through all of them like that. This gives you the practice of playing these other fingerings on these inversions because of these other things.